Okay, today I'm going to show you how to put a custom theme on your PSP on a Custom Firmware 5.00 M33, and it's for all of them, which is like, dash 2, dash 4, and dash 6, all the way up through that. And this is how you do it. Alright, first things first, you're going to want to open up your web browser. So open up that. Okay, so my cat is my witness. Anyways, now that your web browser is open, you're going to want to go to your address bar and type in dl.qj.net. And you're going to want to go to that. And then this page will come up. You go to your search bar here and type in CXMB. And now scroll down. It's going to have about 43,000 views right here, and it's going to be called the where's my mouse? The CXMB 3.3 with 5.00 support. Click on that, and you're going to see this page come up, and I'll have this link here posted next to the video, and then you just simply download that file, which I've already done. So here's the next step, which just minimize your web browser after that, and you're gonna open up this RAR file, which it's called that right there. It's gonna look like that. Open that up. It's 24532 CXMB release. That's what it's called, the file. And you're gonna see this if you have WinRAR. Now you open up the full folder, right? And you're gonna see CXMB, SE plugins, and PSP. PSP has a random custom theme that you can use, but you could go download one yourself, and it has to be a CTF file. This is only for CTFs, so minimize that, and here's the next step. Alright, so you have your PSP on just the basic 5.00 M33-6, that's what I'm running on. And just to be sure, we'll go to System Settings here and scroll down to System Information, and you're gonna see what the hell is it? There it is. I don't know if you can see it that well, but that's 5.00 M33-6. My camera is kind of shitty. That's okay. And just simply take your USB cable and plug it into your PSP. Now just simply wait on your computer, and the autoplay might come up. Okay, now this will show up. Scroll down to Open Folder to view files, and double click on that. Now this is your MSO root of your memory stick. Now I already have a folder called SE plugins. Open that up, and now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the RAR file that you have open with WinRAR or whatever extraction program you have, and open up that SE plugins folder in there. Take the VSH text document and drop and drag that over into your SE plugins on your memory stick root. And I already have this done, so I'm not going to do it, but that's just simply what you do. Now go back. Now you go to your PSP and scroll back to your memory stick root. Now you're going to see the CXMB PRX file in the folder that's called CXMB in the RAR file. Take that and drop and drag that, or drag and drop over to your memory stick root. And I already did that, so I'm not going to do it, but then you just simply wait for that to go over. Now, take your CTF files, which are your custom themes, and just put it in the regular theme folder. If you go to your PSP folder, and you're going to go to theme, and then you just simply put them in there. And if you wish, you could put this random theme that's given in the raw folder, but I'm not going to because I already have some custom themes. So exit out all of that. Here's the next step. Take your PSP and hit the circle button to exit USB mode. Get that USB out of here. Alright, now, you still see that this is all normal still, with a regular theme and everything. Now, if you go to theme settings and go to theme, you're going to see all your PTF themes in a row here. Well, your CTF theme isn't going to be there for a particular reason, and that's because you don't have the CXMB enabled. So take your power button and hold it up in the up position until your PSP turns off. Now, turn it back on, but first hold down the right trigger, which is the R button, and turn it on, and keep that held down until your recovery menu comes up. Now scroll down to plugins, and I already have a theme enabled, so it's going to come up with that theme, but I'll show you how to activate it. And you're going to go to your the CXMB PRX VSH, and you're going to hit that to be enabled. Now prior to this, you're going to want to take a PTF theme that you wanted and boot that on the regular mode, then open up this reboot or the recovery menu and enable that, so that way that theme, the PTF and the custom theme, will combine as one if you wish to do that. Now hit back and then hit exit, and your PSP should start up with the custom theme. And now my Vista theme that I had is modified to the blue theme. If you scroll over, there'll be a little bit of a change. Instead of the remote play, it's going to be an M33 network update and everything. And it's going to music here. Going to music play. Everything's blue with my custom theme now. And some icons have been changed. And there's a new game boot or whatever. So I'll just start up this Killzone Liberation CSO file. That's the game boot. Exit that game. Come on. Now, if you want to undo this, just simply hold your power button up again until your PSP turns off. Hold your right trigger down, turn it back on, go to your recovery menu, go to plugins, and disable the CXMB. Back, exit. Now it'll start up normally instead of the Japanese shit PSP thing. You got your memory stick and everything will be back to normal. See, everything's not blue anymore. And your other custom game boot, if you had one, will be back. And I'm gonna try and find out how to put the game boot back to normal on a custom theme. So if you don't like the custom theme one, then you can change it back to the original that you had. And yeah. That's about it. So that's how you put a custom theme on firmware 5.00 M33-6 or 5.00, 5.00-1, 2, 3, etc. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.